Hello, I'm James Bell and I'm the Acting Innovation Strategy Lead at the UK CAA, and I'm honoured to judge for the first Airwards Drone Award scheme in 2021. Airwards is giving us all a great opportunity to see just some of the ways that drones can be used for good around the world and to celebrate the future of UAVs. This year's submissions have shown me some ways of using drones for good that I could not have imagined. And it's clear that drones are bringing benefits to businesses, to communities, to governments, and to the environment. And on that note, it gives me absolute pleasure to announce the winner of the Agriculture Award in the Industry Field Group. And the winner is Rehkitzrettung Schweiz for their submission Fawn Rescue Switzerland.
Hello everyone, my name is Thomas Rehkitzrettung. I am the president of the Association for Fawn Rescue Switzerland. On behalf of all our members, I gratefully accept this award. It is a wonderful recognition to all of those who are involved in the rescue of fawns day in, day out. We are hoping for an even more successful rescue season, aiming to protect many fawns as well as other wild animals from mowing death. Again, we would like to express our sincere gratitude for this award.